recognize you from somewhere.
Father Gallagher, I'm just visiting.
Professor Aldrich Savage, archaeologist.
Ah, a real pleasure.
That bloody Ventura and his black shirts. They've kidnapped my dear apprentice, Sidney. And ruined my excavation of the Apostolic Palace. Now the whole project had to be put on hold. We were on the verge of a breakthrough when
What kind of breakthrough?
Oh. We'd found a stone fragment. A piece of a Roman tomb, I think. I could only make out some of the letters that weren't either worn down or caked in dirt.
What were some of those letters?
L-A-P-S-O-A-N-G-E. I couldn't make out... Sorry?
Lapsorum Angelorum.
Fallen angels! Of course! Why didn't I think of that?
Say, where is this stone fragment? I'd like to take a look.
I don't know. My apprentice, Sidney, tried to retrieve it, as it were, from the Blackshirts, so they locked him up in their holding cell. He might know where it is now, but they won't let me see him.
Let me see if I can get him back for you. Huh?
Oh, thank you, Father.
Don't mention it.
His mother would kill me if she found out.
I go to the library once Sydney is back. It's safe there.
You do seem awfully familiar.
Just got one of those faces.
La salute del Papa peggiora.
Temo che egli chiamerà il Santo Padre al suo fianco.
Preghiamo di no. Il mondo ha già abbastanza problemi.
Chi pensate che lo sostituirà quando non ci sarà più?
Sì, benissimo così.
Il canadese? No, non credo. Che mi dite di Piazza o Schuster? Magari Pacelli.
Il segretario di Stato della Santa Sede? No, non sarebbe da tradizione. Non ha nemmeno un'arcidiocesi.
Certo, ma sono tempi straordinari e il Vaticano ha bisogno di qualcuno che abbia capacità politiche. Avete sentito che è andato oltreoceano a incontrare Roosevelt?
Sì, ho sentito. Tuttavia, non...
Curse those bloody black shirts.
Una buona giornata, padre. Ho sentito qualcosa.
Detain a defenseless youngster at gunpoint. What was I thinking? Coming here at a time like this?
In pace mi corico e subito mi addormento. Tu solo sì, al sicuro potrai aiutare.
Where is the delivery?
Are you Antonio's delivery boy?
What am I delivering?
The diary of Father Crescenzo.
Is that so?
An awfully mysterious story. Father Crescenzo was an eccentric priest in the 16th century. Some say he discovered an explosive secret in the Vatican. but listen to me spending your precious time. Don't you have a book to find for me?
Yes, sister. I'll see if Antonio has your book. Huh. Again, this Father Crescenzo.
Che giornata semplicemente stupenda.
Comincio ad avere fame. Sai cosa ci vuole?
Perché i preti non puliscono per conto loro? Pensavo...
Rinchiuso qua quel ragazzino inglese? Esatto. Vedrai che da qui non si muove. Poveraccio. Ha preso un sasso. Bisogna cercare. L'avventura ha detto che qualsiasi cosa che vada sul sito di scavo potrebbe essere perfino il sasso preso.
Detesto annoiarmi.
Nice and easy.
Cosa sta? Cosa? Senti, dobbiamo fare qualcosa per l'infestazione di ratti nella caserma.
Credo che vengano dalle fogne.
Non si può recuperare del veleno per topi.
Sì. Magari Ernesto ce l'ha.
Chi?
Nice to meet you. What do we have here? Crucifixion of St. Peter. Where are you, Sydney?
Give it a rest!
I'll get you out, kid. Sydney. That really hurt.
Oh, sir, I didn't mean to, please. Wait. You're not one of them black shirts.
Savage, silly. I'm here to help you, damn it.
Oh, bloody hell, I thought you were sent to...
Quiet, kid. They could hear us.
Hi, sir. Sorry, sir.
Hold your horses.